So we've got the crane here, obviously. We've been working for a couple hours. We've got 2 panels up. We had to do some fabrication in order to get ready for the next one. But we're getting ready to put this front panel piece up. Down. Oh, that is as damn good as it can get. I just want to show something. That is the crane operator, and I don't even have the man's name yet. He came up here, and as soon as he saw that we had some things that we could use some help with, he jumped in like he was been part of our crew for a long time. He's got experience with SIP houses, and he just jumped in. He had mounting plates. He started asking me what the measurements were I was using for where to put the plates. We started bringing them up here. I can't tell you how. You don't know what you're going to get when you hire someone to come out and do something. I didn't think I was going to get that kind of amazing assistance. I just thought I was going to get somebody to run the crane, which is all I asked him to do. He's been awesome. Alright. Here we go. Go that way a little bit. Not you, honey, him. Alright, down. Don't worry with it, don't touch it. Alright. Too far. Yep. So pull that. Down a little bit.
gonna move our tractor. Yes.
As I mentioned, Todd, the owner of Linde Crane Service, jumped in and just started helping. When we were tied up on the roof, he looked at the panel that was going to be needed next, moved the tractor down there, and brought it close enough to pick up with the crane. I cannot rave enough about the help that he gave us. Having the crane there certainly helped speed things up, but we still had to go through our normal routine of jumping up and down on things, trying to get them to piece together properly. Sometimes the splines won't line up. You have to get up underneath of it with a small pry bar and just kind of coax them along so that they line up properly and it'll slide together. With the panels that we already had prepared and staged, as quickly as we could get one on and attached, there was another one coming right behind it.
Well, for those of you who've been following along, this is a heck of a jump. This is one heck of a jump today. We have 7 panels in so far, and I think we're going to be able to get a few of these others in. I don't think we're going to have daylight left to do everything, but we're still going. Because of the pace of working that day, Jafana was doing almost all the camera work for me, which she doesn't usually do. There's a little phenomenon with the camera where you put in a fresh battery and it jumps to hyperspeed. So this is about all we got toward the end, was the hyperspeed. We had to put the splines in the top of those wall panels. They'd been sitting there covered with plastic since we got them in, so it had to be done. Again, Todd from Linde Crane Service was down there cutting wood, throwing it up to me. As I was getting everything prepared, he was lifting another panel into place. I foamed it up, sunk the splines,
Had to sit down in kind of an awkward position and nail them into place, but it worked. We got it done. That's really all that matters. By the end of the night, we had 3 pieces that still have to go up on the roof. We've got the front piece, the little wall section that matches the one that went up on the other side on the short roof. We've got that last little piece of front edge that goes right on top of it. And then we've still got a piece of roof panel that goes down over the porch. All of those we feel confident that we can take care of with the excavator. I don't want to go overboard with it, but every once in a while you cross paths with somebody who is extraordinary in their field, and just an extraordinary person to deal with. Todd, the owner of Linde Crane Service, was amazing. He drove us to move a little bit faster, he helped us, he had experience, he's an experienced builder, and is extremely skilled with the crane. We got so much more done than I expected to do in one day. It's easy to see why his name came up when I was up at the general store asking for recommendations on who I could bring in to help me out and get the rest of the roof put on. I wouldn't hesitate to use him again.